Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. We have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, which is making a strange either grinding noise from the front end. This is more of a diagnostic video if you're having the same problem. Let's say you already changed the brakes, you already changed the calipers, all the front end components like the lower control arms, and you're still getting the noise. There's probably something that's going on in the engine, and hopefully this video would help you out. So removing the cover off, I got the cover off. This one's a turbo, 2.0 turbo. You want to check if there's any moisture buildup, right? So in this case, there's oil moisture build up on the back of the valve cover. I had this gasket changed, but what's going on is that this pillar, these right here, these 4 points, this is what holds the cover. Sometimes this one bends. So if you look at if it's bending, that means the plastic is broken, which means that oil is leaking from the valve cover. So a quick fix to fix the mechanical issues, because that falls on the CV axle, and when it heats up, oil heats up, that causes other problems to create noise, especially when you're driving and after the engine has heated up. Because if you notice, if you drive your vehicle when it's cold, you don't get any front end noises, especially when you're driving over potholes or braking. You shouldn't hear anything. But after the engine warms up and this starts leaking, that leaks on the CV axle and on the belt and all your other components, and that causes mechanical issues. So taking a look here at the valve cover, this is where the crack is at, right there. You could tell if I move this, it's cracked right there. Plus you can see the moisture. So you want to examine your valve cover to see if there's any moisture or crack anywhere else. These are the usual spots here, or on this one right here, this could crack. So right now I went to the dealer, and to get this part, I'll put the part number in the description. This part's around 350 bucks OEM. Plus it comes with the valve cover gasket to replace as well. Now the solution that I'm gonna implement today, I'm gonna use JB Weld, and I got two parts that I 3D printed that fit right in this spot right here. It's already measured to precision, so I'm gonna patch it there with the JB Weld. Plus I have this other 3D printed piece of material that's heat resistant. I have my JB Weld for 550 Fahrenheit resistant, cures in an hour. In the description, I'm going to leave a link to this 3D print. If you have the crack in the similar area and you don't want to spend the money to get this replaced, I suggest patching it with JB Weld. This 3D printed part, again, it's in the first link in the description. All right, I went ahead and patched it. Right now I'm letting it cure. Again, me and my pops, we measured this out to make sure that it fit correctly. Again, I'll put the first link in the description, so you could download this 3D print. If you have a 3D printer, you could print it yourself, or if you know a friend, have them print it for you. Again, leave a comment in the descriptions if you had a similar problem, other questions, any of your concerns. Leave them in the description, in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.